Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use count and count a function in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have one numbers column and in second column number with text, mixed data. Okay, so first column I used the count for count function and count a for second column. Okay, the count means counts only the numerics value in a range, and count A counts all non-blank cell, means numbers plus text. So let's start. So simply select the cell for count function and is equal to and enter the count. And select the range of data. Simply select the first cell and use the shortcut key Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column. Press the enter and that's it. Here the 10,000 count to first column. In count A, simply select the cell, use the is equal to count A and select the range of data. Select the cell, shift control down arrow and enter. Same as here also 10,000 count of this data. Okay. Text and number, the both is count here calculated. Now count A I use for first column and count for second column. Okay. So select the cell, use is equal to count A. Now I select the first column. Okay. Let's see result 10,000. Same. Because here numbers plus text both will count A. Okay. Here the only number, so all is count. Okay. Now I select the is equal to count for second column and enter 5016. Counts only count numbers. Okay, numeric. Here the text also available, therefore is not count. Okay. And here the one more thing I show you, the count A counts all non-blank cells. Means those cell is blank which are not count. I show you, you can check here. When I remove here some amount. See? Same as here also. Means blank cell is not count in count A and count also. When I remove this, see, this amount I remove. Here also change. Here I use the second column, right? 5012. Suppose I again remove the number. See, 5011 and here also change. It's mean both function, the blank cell is not considered. Okay, in both function. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.